this last one is. This is step 10 of 10 steps to the most okayish face ever. This series. So we've done everything, and you're like, what else do you have left to do? I want to make sure that it stays. So I'm first going to do a moisturizing setting spray. MAC Fix Plus is my absolute favorite, but I'm out of it. So I'm using the Urban Decay Quick Fix Hydra Charge Complexion Prep Priming Spray. Let that dry just a second. Then I'm going to use the All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray for long lasting, make this face, you know, last forever. Let it all dry. And I like to, as this is drying, I feel like I did too much because now it's taking forever. Once this is pretty much dry, I take my beauty blender and just gently, gently, gently beat this mug. Why do I do that, you ask? That seems crazy and redundant, and I do it to make sure everything looks like skin, that I look flawless and perfect, and it'll last all day, and I don't look heavy, and I don't feel cakey, and that's it, y'all. 10 steps to the most okayish face ever. I hope that y'all liked this. I hope that it's helpful. There's a lot more coming down the pipeline. So make sure that you stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this and got something out of it. If you try this or anything, please hashtag me. Be a basic unicorn. Hashtag Life with Leah the Makeup Mama. Get it to me somehow. Messenger pigeon. Be sure that you subscribe, because there's so much more coming down the pipeline. Make sure that you watch our last video. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you watch me talk about hard things that I've been through. Soulful Storytime Sundays. I think we're going to call it that. Make sure that you watch our trailer. And my family. And all the other things everywhere. Go watch